MedPlus Weekly Chart, CMP 741.80. MedPlus Health Services Limited was incorporated as a private limited company with the name MedPlus Health Services Private Limited at Hyderabad on the 30th of November 2006. The company converted from a private limited company to a public limited company, pursuant to a special resolution passed by shareholders at the extraordinary general meeting held on the 1st of June 2021, and name of the company was changed to MedPlus Health Services Limited on the 28th of June 2021. The company is engaged in providing pathological laboratory testing and manufacturing, trading and contract manufacturing of pharma, FMCG and beauty products, and rendering of management services to group companies, and holds investments in subsidiary companies. The company has 6 direct subsidiaries and 5 step-down subsidiaries. Stock has given ascending triangular pattern breakout with volume sprut. Sustainability of breakout may lead the stock price upwards in coming days. Risk-reward ratio also favorable. If market supports, this stock may show good bounce from here. DIs have increased their holdings during September 2020 for quarter from 22.17 to 27.98. Public holding is reducing from 22.51% to 16.85. Keep this stock into your watch list for paper trade only. Caution, weak below 548.
Thyrocare Weekly Chart, CMP 956.15. Thyrocare Technologies Limited was incorporated in January 2000. The company operates in the healthcare industry and is involved in providing quality diagnostic services at affordable costs to patients, laboratories, and hospitals in India. Stock bounced back from its multi-year support zone and given ascending triangular pattern breakout. Rounding bottom pattern in progress. Sustainable breakout may show good upward movement in coming days. Keep this stock in your watch list for paper trade only. Caution, weak below 723.
Navinfuer Weekly Chart, CMP 3326.90. Navin Fluorine International Limited was incorporated in 25th June 1998. Being a flagship, the company belongs to a reputed industrial house of Padmanabh Mafatlal Group in India. It has largest integrated fluorochemicals complex in India since 1967. The company primarily focuses on fluorine chemistry, producing refrigeration gases, chemicals, inorganic bulk fluorides, specialty organofluorines, and offers contract research and manufacturing services. Its 2 manufacturing units at Surat in Gujarat and Devas in Madhya Pradesh and 1 manufacturing site of Navin Fluorine Advanced Sciences Limited at Dahej in Gujarat are strategically located near ports to facilitate the import of raw materials and the export of finished products. Stock kissed its multi-year support zone and bounced back from there. Stock is forming inverse head and shoulders pattern. Expecting breakout soon. Sustainable breakout may show good upward movement in coming days. Keep this stock in your watch list. Caution, weak below 28.75.
Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Hit the bell icon and comment which stocks analysis do you want in next video.